Hello everyone. Well, worried about your board exam this time? Don't be, as I am holding the perfect solution for all of you. The year 2020 has been unprecedented in all the ways, even for academics. We have seen major syllabus and question pattern changes twice in this year. In March, approximately 30% syllabus was reduced, and further in the month of July, we have seen a whole new pattern of the CBSE was introduced. But again, don't worry, as DNA Key Points is ready with the learning content which is exactly fabricated according to the changes incorporated by CBSE in the year 2020. DNA Key Points has been designed with well-graded content. Also, each chapter comprises the explanation in learning-friendly language. So today, in this session, we will be discussing about how you guys can easily prepare for your board exam with the help of DNA Key Points. So here is our DNA Key Points English book for class 9 and for class 10. And today, I'll give you a brief how you guys can easily prepare for your examination, for your board examination. Right? When you open the book, I'll show you. For your hassle-free study, we have already given the CBSE syllabus attached in our book, in which everything is mentioned here with this section, with the number, that how you can easily prepare with this book, like reading section for 20 marks, literature book 10 marks, grammar section 10 marks, and as I have already told you that the CBSE has given some new pattern changes and they have reduced the syllabus. So here we have mentioned which are the subjects and which are the points which we have, which the CBSE has deleted from our book. So this is also mentioned here in our book. So here is the syllabus first of all for your convenience. After that, when you go to the content, here also we have given section wise reading, like first section A with the reading, then section B writing and grammar, then part 2 with the grammar only, like the writing section. Writing and grammar has two parts, first part of writing and the second part with the grammar. Then section C with the literature textbooks, and our first book is First Flight, and the supplementary book Footprints Without Feet. Afterwards, when you start reading, start with the section A, in which we have given the discursive passages. In the discursive passages, when you read the passage, here we have given the difficult word meanings. Then after that, after the word meaning, here are the MCQ based questions. As we know that the question includes MCQs, like the pattern which the CBSE has given us for the 2020 syllabus. All the questions, most of the questions are MCQ based. So these are the questions. Then after the discursive passages, then the second thing is factual passages. So this is the second is also given here. So we have given the solved and unsolved both type of questions in the book. We have given the unsolved questions also in our book. And unsolved questions are subjective and objective based questions. So both you can easily prepare. So here we have talked about the reading section, section A, in which we have discussed about the discursive passages and the factual passages. After that, so here we will talk about the section B, in which we will discuss about the writing and the grammar. So first of all, we will discuss about the part 1, in which we have given the writing section. When you start preparing for the content or for the subject, so first of all, we have here also we have given the formal format of the letter. Then we have given the points to remember, the note, how you need to write a letter, how you need to go for the notice writing, everything we have mentioned here. Then there are the solved queries. There are the solved questions first we have given to prepare. Here are the letter to the editor. You can read here. These are the solved questions. When you go further, so here are the complaint letters, inquiry letters, then placing order letters, then non-complaint letters, then letters of application. So these are the things, and then the biodata. So format of email writing, everything is given here, and after that there is a point of test yourself. In the test yourself, we have given all the unsolved questions to prepare. So here are the unsolved questions. Here are the 5 unsolved questions with the total inquiry, with the total information according to which you need to work. Also, we have given the hints as well, so that you can read the hints. You just read the question carefully, then read the hints, and then start writing. Now, so this is all about the writing section. Then the part 2 of grammar. As we have discussed that the CBSE has changed pattern twice until now, right? So all the things which have given the chapters which the CBSE has deleted, and everything is mentioned here, and the pattern, the subject and the book is all according to the updated and the reduced syllabus given by the CBSE. So here is the introduction of tenses, various forms of tenses, then right, present tense, past tense, and the future tense, and the parts of present, past and future tense, right? After that we have given the solved exercises, right? And first of all we have given the solved exercises, then the answers of the solved exercises, and then the unsolved exercises we have given in each and every chapter of reading section, writing section and the grammar section, right? So this is how you need to prepare for both of the section, in the grammar section and the writing section also, and for the reading section also. Now the main point which we are going to discuss about right now is the literature section, in which we have the main 2 books, First Flight and the Footprints Without Feet. How you need to prepare for that? First of all, we all know that whenever we are going to prepare for our syllabus, so to complete the syllabus of NCERT book is our first step and is the major target of our. To keeping that in our mind, we have to assign the book DNA key point according to the pattern. First of all, the main thing is we have first of all discussed about the author, which is really very important. Then the gist of the lesson. Then we have summarized the lesson. Then when you have already prepared for the lesson and you just need to revise the lesson, then you can read lesson at a glance. You just need to revise, and then you can go for your exam, right? And we all know that whenever we are going to prepare for the literature part and for the books, the character sketch is really very important. So here the main, we are discussing about the first chapter, A Letter to God, and here we 2 main characters of the lesson is Lencho and the postmaster. So here we have given the character sketch of Lencho and the postmaster also. Then the difficult word meanings, which is really very important, the word meanings, and then the NCERT textbook questions solved. So all the things which have given here are according to the NCERT book only. When you prepare, be totally prepare with the NCERT, then your second step is to prepare for the extra questions. So to keeping that also in our mind, we have prepared the important question for examination, which we have divided into 3 parts, in which first of all short answer type question 20 to 30 words, right? And the second we have discussed about the short answer type. Here is the very short answer type, then the short answer type question, and then the long answer type question. So this is how we have prepared the book for all of you guys. Also, the very important point here is the questions are designed according to the competencies recommended by the CBSE. Also, audio and video explanations can be accessed by scanning the QR code provided in each chapter. For your reference, here is the QR code. I'll show you how you can check, how you can prepare from the videos also. So to prepare from the videos, first of all you need to scan the QR code, right? You just scan the code, and then this is how the PDF will open in front of you. The 3 points are mentioned here. chapter explanation video, narration in English and the narration in Hindi. So if you want to go with the explanation video, chapter explanation video, just click on the link, go to the YouTube, and here, just like this, you can prepare from the chapter, prepare from the video. This is how you guys can prepare a letter to God.
Hello everyone, myself Jasleen.
Right? This is how you need to prepare. And then again with the narration in English also, this is the audio narration. You can prepare from the narration in English as well. You just need to click on the link, and this is how the video will come in front of you guys, and you can prepare.
Hello
Just like
everyone.
this.
Today we're going to start chapter 1.
Right? And this is how you can prepare with each and every chapter. So as we have seen that DNE Key Points is a complete package of updated content with learner-friendly language, solved and unsolved, objective and subjective questions, analytical and critical exercises, etc. Then what more do you need? For more updates, just go to our website www.dneducation.com. Thank you so much.